Welcome to KRP Performance. Today I'm going to be going over a car that I think is really fun. It's one of my favorites we've had at the shop in a while. It's a pretty nice car. I'll go over the ins and outs of it, do a quick walk around, we'll go for a drive, and stay tuned to the end because we're going to do some nice burnouts in it. Here it is. 1970 Chevelle. Got a 502 big block, automatic transmission, reverse manual valve body. Converter's nice and tight, suspension's good, and it's a really clean car. Cranberry red, black stripes, interior's clean. It's not a real SS, as you can tell by the dash. It's got the sweeper dash in it. It's also not perfectly detailed, but I didn't really want to spend too much time with this one. I wanted to get it out and onto the video. Worked on it for a little bit today. That's why I'm all dirty and sweaty and tired, but end of the day, sun's going down. I mean, what better of a time to get a video of this than now? Look at that car. I'm gonna take you guys on a drive. We're gonna go up some nice scenic roads right behind the shop here. I'll let you listen to it for a while, and then off she goes on to the next one. This one's got a 502 in it. Let me show you that. It's actually a ZZ 502 motor. It's a really strong engines. I need two hands for this. There we go. So as you can see, it would be could clean it up a little bit. We put some time into it, but we're not going to be doing that in this one. Just a little bit dusty. Wiring's not perfect, but it's a very strong running car. Everything's done very well. If I was to do anything on this car to clean it up further than what we did, I would clean up the wiring. I would do some adjustments in the interior, just some loose trim panels, things like that. Overall, it's a very solid car. Obviously, we do that one a little bit better, but that's okay. So these engines are really cool. This is actually how you buy it from GM. Comes just complete like that, intake, distributor, wires already on, everything. These things are solid though. They can make, I've seen some videos people putting turbos in these things making well over 1,000 horsepower without even popping a valve cover on it. It sounds awesome too. I heard some rumors about them coming with forged rods, forged pistons, forged crank. I'm not entirely sure on that myself, but I will tell you, this thing is very fun to drive. I'm sure you did some kind of fuel injection from Holley and maybe even twin turbos, and you'd have probably one of the fastest cars in your neighborhood, that's for sure. Let's get this thing running. Let's listen to it. Let's go on a drive. Good video of the back. Such a beautiful car. I'm not sure if the camera does it justice at all. It's got a Holley red fuel pump on it. Let's go ahead and fire it up. See, as I was saying, the interior is clean. There's really not much left to do in the whole car. It's just some small things here and there. Clean up the wiring. Clean up some of the bezels. Great car. Let's listen to it. Car has 2-inch Hedman headers on it, Flowmaster mufflers. Sounds beautiful, true dual exhaust. Nice smooth running 502. Solid oil pressure, great coolant temps. Lock it down. I'm gonna leave the camera down here and give it a rev. for a drive before we make the neighbors more mad. First part of this drive I'm gonna do from inside. And once we get close to where we're going, I'm gonna go ahead and stick the GoPro on the outside of the car. Hopefully it'll pick up some nice audio clips. Power steering car, no AC. Power steering smooth, chirps the belt a little bit. No effort at all to spin the tires in this. And if you want, just click her like this and go for a nice cruise. Car drives beautifully. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking right now and just let you listen. One improvement I would like to make to this car is I would definitely add disc brakes. That's not the direction we're going with this. The customer didn't really feel it was needed. As it goes in and out of the shadows. Got the cowl sticking up. I mean, what more could you ask for in a Chevelle than this? It's a great driver. It's one that you don't want to leave in the garage, that's for sure. Let's see if she'll light him up in a second. Oh yeah. Nice quiet road up behind the shop here. Goes in between two towns, so there's really no reason for people to travel it. It's got a nice pond, but really great spot to take a picture of this car. It's a cool 2-lane bridge here that goes right between the lake. I'm gonna stop there, get some drone shots, and just let you guys enjoy both the noise and the view of this car. This has got to be one of the most responsive big blocks I've driven. Of course, we don't really mess around with that area of performance very much. I do appreciate it though, that's for sure. Alright, we got some fishermen here, so I'm going to go up a little bit actually and get some nice videos of this. Just stunning. It's not much more you can ask for than this on a day at the job. Thank you for watching KRP Performance. I hope you enjoyed your time here on the KRP Performance YouTube channel. We got a lot of really cool stuff coming out for you, a lot of project updates I haven't really gotten to. I've been slacking a lot in the videos, I know. The C5 Corvette's done. We're actually going racing with that in 3 days from now. We got a dyno tune coming for it on Thursday, and then a track rental on Friday. We got this car, which probably not gonna be many more videos of it. It's leaving pretty soon. We have a 55 Bel Air. That's really cool. Can't wait to show you guys that one. The Trans Am's coming back better than ever. We got a built motor coming for that really soon. Should be here probably within the next 4 weeks or so, about a month really. We have the Nova getting back together. We have another Chevelle, which we're putting an LS in. I have to update the 101 Chevelle, which is actually a body shop in Ohio. Yeah, there's a lot of things. I don't know. We got a lot of cars. I'll run through all the projects in a different video, but thank you again. Hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy the rest of your day. You didn't really think I was going to leave without a burnout, did you?